Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how China manufactures so cheaply. We'll explore the key factors contributing to its competitive edge in global production. Understanding these elements can shed light on the economic dynamics shaping international trade. From labor costs to infrastructure, several components work together to create this unique manufacturing environment. We'll delve into each aspect, providing a comprehensive overview of China's cost-effective production model. One major factor is the availability of a vast labor pool, which helps maintain competitive wages. This large workforce, combined with extensive training, ensures a skilled and efficient production line. Furthermore, China's ability to produce goods on an enormous scale allows for significant economies of scale. This means that as production volume increases, the cost per unit decreases, making products more affordable for consumers worldwide. China has developed highly integrated supply chains, often forming industrial clusters where related businesses are located in close proximity. This geographical concentration minimizes transportation costs and speeds up production cycles. For example, a factory might have its component suppliers just a few miles away, drastically cutting lead times and logistics expenses. These efficient networks are a cornerstone of cost-effective manufacturing. Government support plays a crucial role, with policies and subsidies designed to boost manufacturing and exports. These incentives can significantly lower operational costs for companies. Additionally, China has invested heavily in world-class infrastructure, including extensive networks of ports, roads, and railways. This robust infrastructure ensures that raw materials can be easily transported to factories and finished goods can be shipped out efficiently and at a lower cost.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.